artificial intelligence has come a long way. From cell phones, headsets, smart devices, and personal assistants, AI has continued to evolve throughout the decades. As of this year, artificial intelligence is mainly in everything that we use. It has been fully implemented within our homes, personal vehicles, and especially within our multimedia devices. In the early 2000s, and what seemed to be a fantasy, AI evolved again and was crafted into live machines, which later would be their very own physical appearance. From Honda's very own Asimo, Japan continued to lead the world in advanced Android technology. With Asimo's ability to walk, run, and move similar to a human, this lighted the way of AI advancement. Conducting his own studies at his laboratory, Hiroshi Ishiguro built a live humanoid named Erika, which proved to the world that the evolution of personal AI assistants will be here before we know it. However, there were a few things that both androids lacked, which were natural language process, responsiveness, and speech and accent recognition. But that all changed within the year 2040 by the hands of two San Francisco scientists, Dr. Rupert Burns and Dr. Andrew Martin of Burn Technologies. Sketching the idea and its details, Dr. Martin challenged himself and Dr. Burns to creating an android that can move and function similar to a human being. With their own development of network data representation, both Dr. Burns and Dr. Martin developed an exoskeleton which provided the android flexibility to move as a human in fluidity. With success of how it turned out, Dr. Martin then turned his attention into developing positronic organs. With success of the functionality of these organs, Dr. Martin and Dr. Burns furthered their research and created a positronic brain. Built with cloud RAM and personality chips, they turned the artificial organ into a database and powerhouse for the android. Similar to the actual human brain, the positronic brain had three parts. The cerebrum controlled mainly the android's memory, which was made of cloud RAM, speech recognition software, and data information processing. The cerebellum contained the processing chips for all movements of the android body, and the brainstem provided the communication network for processes occurring within the android. Though they had numerous trials and errors with the speech recognition, Dr. Martin enlisted help from a colleague to tailor the android's speech. With Duolingo's speech recognition software, Dr. Al programmed the software to allow the android the ability to detect and respond appropriately whether the user had an accent or no accent. With the positronic brain completely built, Dr. Martin and Dr. Burns tested out the brain under Project Galatea. The project turned out to be a success, showing Galatea's mobility and speech recognition mimicked a human.
Me too.
You and I, we're the same. We have personality.
Is your personality chip turned on?
Is it yours?
No.
Sucks to be you.
With successful backing of Project Galatea, Burn Technologies reports that as of June 1st, 2050, Androids will be in full production and coming to a doorstep near you.